Piny Kenya odiochieng' ma kawuono keto kogi ogirimiti koda piny mar Italy e bero winjruok e kind pinje ariyogo eko kaachiel kod sectors eko ma opogore opogore. E chieng' mabende koro nochwe kogni e lo piny Kenya koda nyapare duol mar jotend migepe mabende en jatend migao mochung' ne tudruok pinje maoko Wycliffe Musela Mudavadi kaachiel kod nyawadgi ma piny Italy Manindo Matteo. Piny Kenya owinjore mar mondo mi ober chenro eko mag wuoth kata jo Kenya kaachiel kod jo piny India e kind chenro eko mamoko mag dongruok ka giyango ni kuom kinde malach winjruok ma kamano endo osebedo ka dhi nyime kendo nyago olemo ka koro gimedo mana sire.
Kenya and Italy have a very strong and enduring partnership. And the recent high-level visits of the President of Italy to Kenya and the recent visit to Italy by President Ruto are very significant. I also want to say that President Ruto's delegation had a very fruitful engagement. So we did sign a number of instruments. One of them was the Defense Cooperation Agreement, which is very critical in helping us bolster joint efforts in security matters. And today we are happy that a very critical step has been made of signing the letter of intent with the Minister for Interior in Kenya and the invitation to follow up with a more elaborate instrument in Italy. We value these very strong signals of collaboration and sharing of critical intelligence and capacity between our two countries in dealing with matters of security.
Before, in our previous meeting, the relationships between Kenya and Italy have always been very strong, and they are testified by the recent visit of your delegation, of your President Ruto to Italy in this past April, as well as the visit of our President of the Republic, Mattarella, in the year 2023.
In quell'occasione è stato condivisa un'ambiziosa cooperazione bilaterale con l'adozione del piano di azione 2006-2029, i cui temi fondamentali sono proprio attinenti alla sicurezza e alla gestione delle migrazioni.
And it was during that occasion that we had the chance to forge our bilateral cooperation with the adoption of the Action Plan 2026-2029, especially on themes of security and migration management.
Temi sui quali, e non solo su questi, nel recente G7 di Ekind i nostri due paesi hanno fatto registrare una totale convergenza di opinioni.
And these issues were also at the center of the important declaration adopted in the recent G7 in Evian, which has also been a testimony of a convergence